Hello. So this is a demo of the application working for the homework one of the object-oriented design. This is my code, which will be submitted to the Drexel one, and then these are some pre-populated data for scholarship and student applications, and then I'm just gonna run it. So the first option is to display all the available scholarships, and also I can press 5 to display all of the student applicants. Now, if I want to add a scholarship, I would say 2, and then let's say Drexel Excel scholarship. And then in this case, I want to give it to undergrad and a graduate student. And then for $3,000 per person, and then it's going to be a financial aid. Depending on your system, you might be able to use Control Shift C to copy it. You couldn't use Control C because that'll just end the program. So keep in mind for that. And then we're going to put the 1 for the citizenship requirements, and it says added successfully. Now I want to display all of the scholarship. And as you can see, the Drexel Excel scholarship has been added. Now, let me continue. So I want to add a student applicants for the scholarship that we just created. Right, so I want to enter the first name. So I'm just going to enter Jeff, Harry, email j.h@drexel.edu, and then the address is going to be Computer Street, Philly. And then we're going to be needing the ID. So in this case, it's going to be the Drexel Excel ID. Okay. Now, what we can do is to display all of the student applicants for the specific scholarship. So I'm going to press 4 and then enter the ID I just entered. And then we can see Jeff Harry as a applicant for the Drexel Excel scholarship. Now, to sort of move this further, let me see what I can do. Now I want to delete this particular student. So I'm going to say 7 and then get the ID of Jeff. And then Jeff is deleted. So now if we try to display all of the applicants, for the Drexel Excel scholarship, it wouldn't show any. So it shows an empty list. So that means that's working. And if we show the applicants, if we display all of the student applicants, we'll find that Jeff is not there. And just to demo to show you that this does work for more than one student. So we notice that both Carl and Nick are applying for this scholarship. So we're gonna say, let me see. So I'm gonna display all the so show for a particular scholarship. So right. So in this case, we saw that Nick and only Carl and Nick are applying for this particular scholarship. In the newer version, I'm going to probably print out the scholarship applied first to show you. But this is just to show you that all of the major functionality works. And now we want to delete the Drexel Excel scholarship. So we're going to press 3, and then the Drexel Excel scholarship is going to be, oops, not that one. Going to be that. and it's going to show that deletion is complete, and we can only see the original scholarships. So that just demos all of the functionalities. Thank you. All right.